Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you very specifically how to use a recliner chair. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right over here, I have a recliner chair, and I'm going to show you how to use something like this. Now I'm going to sit down on it and I'll explain how it works. Now, I'll be demonstrating how to use a recliner chair with this recliner chair right here. Yours might be slightly different, it might be very different, but you can likely take these instructions and just apply them to your chair with probably very few slight changes, okay? So take my instructions that I'm going to show you for this recliner chair and make them make sense for your recliner chair, okay? So as I'm sitting down on this, you can see the first thing you can do with regards to using a recliner chair is you can rock it back and forth, just like that. And I'm using my arms for momentum over here. You can rock it back and forth. Very simple. That's the first thing, okay? The next thing is actually reclining it. Now, most recliner chairs are going to have a lever or a button or a handle of some sort to recline them, okay? So for this one right here, this is the lever over here. I'm going to pull on this lever and get your legs prepared because the bottom part here is likely going to raise up. So just like this, I'm going to pull this lever, and as you can see, it reclines, just like that. The legs pop up. Now, it might be a button, it might be a handle. There's a couple variations, but there's going to be some mechanism to pop up the legs. At this point, you have your recliner chair in your leg up position, and you can most likely take the back of it, and either there's going to be another handle to lower the back, or like another mechanism of some sort to lower the back, or you can just push the back in a reclined position. So this one, you can just push it back. So you can just go like that. And as you can see over here, I am in full recline mode. Okay, look at this. Beautiful. I love this. I love this. To be honest with you, this recliner chair we had in my kids' room. I have 4 kids. And essentially we had it in each of their rooms. And now the youngest kids are, beyond the point where we need a recliner chair in the room. Plus, there's not really enough space. They're twins, so they share a room, so there's 2 beds in there, and there's not really enough space for this, okay? The youngest ones are twins, there are 2 beds in the room, there's not enough space for the recliner chair. So we were getting rid of it, and I was like, you know what, let me do a video with it, and then I will, donate it or just put it to the curb and let someone come pick it up, whatever the case is. But as I'm using this in my garage right now, right, I'm like, maybe I'll just keep it here. I could just come, relax like this. Anyways, all jokes aside, that's the next thing that you can do, which is recline, okay? Just like that. Like I said, there might be a mechanism, or you can just push it back like this, like I'm doing right now, okay? Last but not least, the way to sort of bring the foot portion in is you essentially just use your force. Like some of them will have a mechanism, but most likely you're just going to have to use your leg force to bring it in. So I'm going to get my feet, and carefully, you want to make sure obviously your feet are out of the way from anything that's moving. So my feet are right now on top of the cushion, okay? They're on top of the cushion, and they're going to be completely out of the way from any moving parts. And I'm going to use my feet in a safe manner like I'm doing right now, and I'm going to use my feet to bring it in and click it in place. And that's it. It's now nicely in its original position. And that's it. That's essentially how to use a recliner chair. It's very, very easy to do, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. I apologize about the garage lights turning off, but there we go. One of them turned off, and it turned back on now. Anyways, hopefully you liked the video, and I have nothing else to say, but hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. So we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.